This video is over topic 44, number 1, determining whether events are dependent or independent. So rolling a die and getting a 6, then rolling a second die and getting a 3. Dependent means that the result of the first step will change the possible outcomes for the second step. But if you roll a die and get a 6, that doesn't change what you possibly could get or how likely those are when you roll a second die. So these would be independent. Parking in a parking zone and getting a parking ticket. The likelihood of getting a parking ticket, hopefully, is much higher if you're parked in a no parking zone when the person comes around to give the tickets. They are looking at the people in the no parking zone. Or if they're in a parking zone, checking for other violations. But these would be dependent. Your likelihood of getting a ticket is affected by whether or not you park in a no parking zone. Then drawing a card from a deck and getting a queen, replacing it, and drawing a second card and getting a queen. The assumption is you've replaced the card, they're all mixed together. In each draw, you're equally likely to get any one of the 52 cards. These would be independent. Selecting a lottery ball from a tumbler, not replacing it, and then drawing a second ball. Well, the second time, there's one less thing to choose from. So the first draw has affected what's available in the second draw. This would be dependent. So generally, replacing is going to be independent. Not replacing is going to be dependent. Flipping a coin and getting tails, flipping it again and getting tails. Getting tails on the first flip doesn't change the probability the second flip is still equally likely to be either heads or tails. Independent.